Coffee. Here are several things you probably didn't know. Relating to your coffee, you probably didn't realize that coffee, the enchanted morning beverage for the majority of us, is technically seeds and not beans. Coffee beans are cherry-like berries that grow on flowering coffee shrubs, but it sounds strange to refer them as coffee seeds. Coffee is the second most traded commodity in the world, but among health professionals, it is a contentious topic. Some swear by its many health benefits, while others say it is terrible for your health. Welcome to the Health Hub, where information meets motivation and wellness, creating more connected health tips to help people on their path to better health. So in this video, we'll talk about coffee. Here are several things you probably didn't know. Please note that everything mentioned in this video has been fact-checked and reviewed by qualified health professionals. With that out of the way, let's discuss some coffee facts you probably didn't know. 1. Coffee may aid in the treatment of depression. Coffee is responsible for today's pleasant mood. According to some research, coffee's anti-inflammatory qualities may help with depression. Caffeine is thought to stop mood-depressing molecules in the brain from binding with adenosine, which functions as a neuronal depressant, so when the blues hint, consider pouring yourself a big cup of coffee. If looking up at the sky and soaking up the sun doesn't help, you might want to see a specialist. Depression is a serious condition. 2. Coffee can aid in weight loss. According to recent research, coffee can aid in weight loss by altering fat storage and promoting gut health. For instance, 12 studies found that high consumption of coffee could be linked to a reduction in body fat in men and women. According to another study, individuals who drank less than 2 cups of coffee per day were 17% more likely to perform certain physical activities at optimal levels. Therefore, coffee can significantly increase your energy levels and physical performance, leading to a faster rate of weight loss. 3. Increases your fiber. Some studies indicate that 100 milliliters of brewed coffee contain up to 0.75 grams of dietary fiber. Therefore, 1 or 2 cups of coffee can bring you even closer to the recommended daily fiber intake. Coffee can also help you lose weight and metabolize fat, but you shouldn't rely solely on it for fiber or you'll be sleepwalking tonight. High fiber foods include dried fruits, apples, avocados, berries, beans, broccoli, and etc. Consider a nutritious and well-balanced diet. 4. Coffee may reduce the chance of developing type 2 diabetes. Some studies suggest that regular coffee consumption may be associated with a reduced risk of developing type 2 diabetes over time. According to a study conducted by researchers at the Harvard School of Public Health, individuals who drank more than 1 cup of coffee per day over 4 years has an 11% lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes than those who drank only 1 cup per day. Additional research is required despite the finding of a second study that the coffee compound caffeine could reduce the type 2 diabetes markers in rodents. It appears that coffee can affect insulin sensitivity, inflammation, and metabolism. Before we continue to the next fact, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel so you never miss our new informative videos. 5. The consumption of coffee may reduce the risk of developing Parkinson's disease. Preliminary research indicates a correlation between caffeine consumption and a reduced risk of Parkinson's disease. Even among smokers, a 2017 meta-analysis found that regular coffee consumption reduces the incidence of Parkinson's disease. The study also suggested that regular coffee consumers are less likely to suffer from depression or other cognitive disorders such as Alzheimer's disease. However, additional research is required on this topic. 6. According to urban legend, coffee can make goats dance. Well, this is not precisely a health benefit, but it doesn't hurt to be aware of the central coffee myth. An Ethiopian goat herder named Kaldi was the first individual to recognize the effects of coffee. When he observed that his goats became excessively energetic after consuming coffee berries, he recognized the potential of coffee beans. The goat herder reported his discovery to the local monastery, where the abbot made drink from the berries and discovered that it kept him vigilant during the evening prayers and throughout the night. This is just a myth, And we can't be certain that coffee can make goats even more energetic than they already are. But that's the central coffee myth and worth knowing, particularly if you're an avid coffee drinker who's ready for the truth. 7. Coffee promotes mental health and function. The combination of coffee and glucose may stimulate the central nervous system and stimulate the release of norepinephrine. As a result, your pulse rate will increase, your blood pressure will rise, and you'll receive an additional energy boost. Consequently, it will enhance your ability to focus and concentrate. Therefore, if you're experiencing a bit of a mental slump after lunch, a cup of coffee can help you regain your concentration. In 11 observational investigations involving more than 29,000 individuals, coffee consumption was found to reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. In addition, several additional studies imply a link between moderate coffee consumption and a reduced risk of dementia or cognitive decline. Coffee may not make you wiser, but it can aid your efforts to become more intelligent. 8. Coffee contains nearly no calories. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, 100 grams of coffee contains approximately 0.5 calories and no cholesterol. However, we like to add additional ingredients to our coffee such as sugar, whipped cream, milk, and etc., which is why some coffee beverages can contain hundreds of calories. Starbucks Delicious Frappuccino, for example, contains between 400 and 500 calories per serving, and even a white chocolate mocha contains approximately 400 calories. If you're truly trying to lose weight, you may want to avoid these Starbucks treats in favor of plain black coffee with a small amount of sugar or other sweeteners. 9. It has the potential to lower the risk of chronic liver disease. According to a 2019 literature review, coffee may lessen the incidence of liver cancer. Another 2015 study conducted in the United States found that people who consumed 2 or 3 cups of coffee per day had hepatocellular carcinoma. We discovered many more study papers that demonstrated a link between coffee drinking and a lower incidence of liver cancer or cirrhosis. With so many studies on the subject, we can reasonably presume that coffee gives some liver health benefits. But don't consume a lot of coffee simply because you think it will make your liver look brand new. Take care of your liver first. 10. It may boost your immune system. Caffeine's energy-boosting effect may also help your immune system, making it stronger and healthier. Coffee includes phenolic chemicals that have high antioxidant action, but you should stick to natural ground coffee. Instant coffee may contain undesirable chemical additives, so may your coffee be fresh and natural, and your morning be bright and productive with enough coffee. Don't you agree? Hopefully, this video has answered a couple of questions. This video, as always, is for educational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please give us a like, subscribe, and comment for more health tips.